Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In today's video, we're diving into social media marketing, specifically Twitter. As you know, Twitter is a social media platform with millions of active users. When you deliver the right content to the right audience, it can drive a substantial stream of traffic. Let's look at an example. Here's Bilal's profile. He's our Bangladesh country manager. From the Twitter homepage, simply click the avatar to open the full profile. Creating an account is quick and straightforward, so I won't walk through that. After you sign up, set up your profile properly. Write a concise bio and add a direct link to your website or store. Think of this page as your storefront and take care of it consistently. All right, now first, let's check what's trending on Twitter. When you know which topics are hot, you can create content that attract plenty visitors to your site or profile. On the home screen, tap the search icon and you'll see Trends for You. That list shows topics the Twitter algorithm believes are hot for your location and interests. Right now, I'm seeing Bitcoin, crypto, and Fiverr, each driven by tens of thousands of tweets in the last hour. For example, when I write the hashtag Bitcoin, Bitcoin has generated 2,160 tweets in the past hour, with a total of 51,000 tweets overall. Hashtags are the engine of discovery on Twitter. If you discuss these topics while the conversation is still fresh, your visibility skyrockets, and you'll ride the wave of interest to drive traffic your way. Now, if your focus is on marketing or promotion, you can go to the settings here. You'll be given two options. Under the Explore Locations option, you can select your desired region. Choose the countries or locations you want. For example, I've selected the United States. Now it will show me the current trending topics in the United States. If I want to promote my product or service in Europe, I can easily switch the location to any place I want. By identifying trends this way, staying on top of them, and joining in the conversation, you can build a strong follower base. One of the most important features of Twitter is the search option. By using Twitter search, you can find profiles, posts, and other content relevant to your interests. For example, if your product or service is related to doctors, just type doctor in the search bar. By typing doctor in the search bar, you'll notice several tabs appear. The top tab shows you high engagement tweets, profiles, and media all together. If you click on latest, you'll see tweets related to doctors posted in real time. For example, someone might have tweeted about a doctor-related topic just 59 seconds ago, and another post could have been created only a minute ago. If I scroll down, you'll see profiles related to doctors. If your profile isn't niche specific, but you're targeting doctors, you can optimize your profile to appeal to them. Alternatively, if your company sells doctor-related products, you can follow doctors from here. By doing this, you'll likely see some of them follow you back. However, avoid mass following, which means don't follow too many people at once. It's best to follow 10 to 15 people per day, and some will follow you back. For those who don't follow back, you can unfollow them. This is the doctor-related photos section. In this section, you'll find photos uploaded by others that are doctor-related. These are very recent posts. For example, this one was posted just 47 minutes ago. You'll also find doctor-related videos in this section. So let's say your product is a t-shirt for doctors, created to appreciate their work and sell to them. From this part, we're getting the latest posts, and this is where you'll find more active users. It's also where you can identify potential customers. This is the area we'll focus on. Here, you might find someone who would be interested in doctor-related products, like a person who tweeted about something related to doctors. You can like their post by giving it a heart if you want. You can also retweet from here. However, I'm not retweeting or commenting here because these posts are primarily replies to someone else's content. That's why I'm not engaging here. Let me show you a little bit more. For example, by simply looking at this post, it talks about doctors and how they are doing a lot of hard work. It says, "Thank you for your support, superhero." Now, if your profile name is something like Support Our Doctors or Doctors of Tomorrow, it's simple yet clear. Just imagine having a profile that speaks directly to doctors and employers. When you see that this post was made just 2 minutes ago, replying or retweeting it gives you a much higher chance of that person visiting your profile, following you, and engaging with your content. If you retweet and comment like this, agree with you, support doctors, check this shirt, link, you're not just engaging with the post, but also promoting your product. For example, you could promote shirts with messages like doctor and superhero. You can provide a link to your product showcasing the shirts you have designed. If this person relates to what you're posting and really likes it, there's a greater chance they'll check out your product or follow your store profile. Since this section shows the latest posts, it means we're seeing tweets from people around the world in real time. For instance, we can see posts from just 58 seconds ago, which means those people are online right now. When you reply, tweet, or retweet, you have the opportunity to connect with them while they are online, increasing the chances they'll follow you back. Additionally, they might visit your profile, your store, or the link you want to share with them, like your website. Let's walk through another example. Suppose we search for cooking. Twitter immediately shows a wealth of cooking-related content, posts, profiles, and hashtags. If you run a cooking blog, you can tweet about your latest recipes and follow relevant accounts. Choose a profile name that fits the niche, such as Cooking Glove World, Best Recipes, or Super Chef. When someone who just tweeted about cooking sees that an account named Best Recipes has followed them, there's a good chance they'll follow back, and maybe even visit your blog. Next, switch to the Profiles tab to scout accounts in your niche. For instance, imagine a profile called Cookie Recipe just tweeted 1 minute ago. Treat them as a competitor or inspiration and open their profile. Study what they post, how often they tweet, and how they arrange their bio and images. Note their hashtags, cookies, baking, website, and their overall Twitter pattern. This gives you a blueprint for your own strategy. You don't have to copy them 100%, but you can model their best practices and adapt them to your brand. Finally, click the followers list on their profile. You'll see exactly who follows that recipe page. Prime prospects to engage with and potentially convert into your own followers. Look for people who are passionate about cooking and share recipes or cooking tips. Many of them follow big cooking accounts for ideas and inspiration. When you follow these people, they'll get a notification with your profile name. If your name is something like Top Recipe, they're likely to follow you back. This way, you can get high-quality followers from people who already follow similar accounts. The key is to post content that's just as good or even better than what they're used to seeing. If your posts are valuable and consistent, people will engage with your tweets and stay connected. Then you can naturally direct them to your website or store. Remember, on Twitter, most conversations are public. Anyone can join in, which gives you a chance to reach new people. By following the right accounts, replying thoughtfully, and posting great content, you can grow an audience that brings free traffic to your site. Additionally, Twitter does offer advertisements, but keep in mind that tweets tend to be more expensive compared to Facebook ads, and the conversion rate might not be as strong. If your goal is to work on branded awareness, content writing, and organic traffic, then Twitter could be a good fit. However, when it comes to direct product sales, Twitter may not deliver quick results. To master advanced marketing strategies, especially in the print-on-demand sector, you'll need to put in the work. Continuous practice, research, and studying will help you hone your skills and achieve success in the long run.